In this clip, I'm going to show you how to mount your Midnight Force spin rod locker on the Molle panels, crossbars, and tracked roof racks. First, we'll mount the spin rod locker to these crossbars. You're going to use the U-brackets in the kit. So we're going to line up the crossbars with any of these slots. We're going to mount in the slot, not over the body, just in any of these open holes right here. So I have my U-bracket under the crossbar. I'm just going to put the bolt right through the cavity, take my lock plate, put it over the screws, and then just washer and nut. I'm going to bolt this down directly to the bar. Once you're bolted down to both crossbars, you're going to take your lock plate on. It's going to go over the bolts, then take your lock, insert, and twist the lock down. Your kit comes with 2 bolt lengths. Some bars are going to be really fat. You're going to want to use the longer ones. If you got low profile bars like this, you can use a shorter bolt. Next, we're going to mount to this Molle panel. Mounting to this Molle panel is going to be the same as mounting to a tracked roof rack. We don't need the U-brackets. For the Molle panel, it's simple as this carriage bolt is going to lock into the slot there. Or if you have a tracked roof rack, you're just going to slide the carriage bolt into the tracked roof rack. Your kit comes with these 3/8" bolts. Your Molle panel might have a smaller track, or your tracked roof rack might be thinner. It'd be a 5/16 or a 1/4 inch. Any hardware store will have the right bolt size for you. So we're just going to start by putting 2 bolts in each section through the track. Now this will be easier to get the body on there and screw it on if you got a buddy to hold it, or if you got some clamps to just hold the body on while you bolt it down. We're just going to line up the holes with the bolts. Bolt plate on next over the bolts, and then just washer and nut, and then we're going to fasten down. We have it all bolted down, it's on there tight. Now we're going to set our lock plates over each one and lock it in. Lock plate over the bolts, lock it on. You're good to go. So if your rod is longer than 6 feet, you're going to have to break it in 2. So you want to hook your lure right above where you're going to break it apart. Take the slack out there. I'm going to disconnect, and then I'm going to pull that slack out like that. I'm going to push it forward, and then this all is going to go in the rod sleeve.